Hello friends, in our last 3 episodes, we have seen what are the fundamental rights, how is the judiciary, and what are the other features which are there in the Constitution of Malta. Now, after going through these 3 episodes, there are certain things which really appeal. For example, in the fundamental rights, right to have a speedy trial is a fundamental right. Right to examine a witness is a fundamental right. Right to appeal against judicial decisions is a fundamental right. Further, if you see the functioning of judiciary, even the advocates are involved in the process of judiciary. For example, one member of the Commission of Administration of Justice is president of the Chamber of Advocates. This Commission of Administrative Justice is responsible for framing the code of ethics which will regulate the members of the judiciary. Courts function in their official language, that is Maltese language. Wherever in criminal trials, if there is a problem, the case is conducted in the native language of the accused. Certain articles of the Constitution can be amended only by conducting national referendum. Dual citizenship is permitted. So friends, we hope that you would have enjoyed this particular series of glimpses of the Constitution of Malta. We are thankful that you have given your valuable time for watching this particular series. So once again, thank you. Namaste.